Y'all having fun?
That was
Not cool.
Nope. He saw that I was making a big slide on smooth.
You ready? Ready? Hold on. Hold on.
He just slide all the way to the room. Again. He really loves us, maybe. Maybe we can take it down to the mountains and fly down.
Maybe.
Walk slowly.
Okay, now it's my turn. I'm better on my dad's foot. There you go. And then wipe it down.
Don't wait for this car.
Yep! Who's that?
Ready?
That's Miss Wendy.
That's Miss Wendy.
Now how's that man roll down there?